percussions, strings, winds, words. There you see her, sitting there across the way. She don't have a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the squirrel. Yes, you want her. Look at her, you know you do. Possible she wants you to. There's one way to ask her. It don't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the squirrel. Sing with me now. Sha-la-la-la-la, my oh my, look like the boy too shy, ain't gonna kiss the squirrel. Sha-la-la-la-la, ain't that sad, it's a shame, too bad, he's gonna miss the squirrel.